Hello everyone, Johnny here. Today in this session, we will try to solve counting the number of elements, that is, occurrence of each element from an array. Before trying to solve this question, let us have some basics which are used in this code. Let me take an variable here. Variable a equals to 24. Variable t equals to a greater than 18. Console.log eligible for voting. Console.log not eligible. If we can look into the snippet, we have used a ternary operator which is similar like an if else condition. It is trying to check with the first condition part, a greater than 18. If it is true, it will try to print this first part, or else it will try to print the rest part. So in this, as the a value is 24, it is greater than 18, the output will be eligible for voting. Let us check the output in the browser. Eligible for voting. We got eligible for voting here. Line number 12. So let me put this in comments. Now in this use case, we should able to count the number of occurrences of each element. Now let me take an array here. The array name, and we are trying to read 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1. These are the list of array elements here. We have trying to use array literal, and we are trying to store the list of array elements in this, and we should able to count each and every occurrence. Here 2 is repeated, 1 and 2. So it should able to print the output as 2. For the 3 it is 2. For the 56 it is only 1. For the 7 it is only 1. So let us write the code for this. In order to read each and every element, we use a for loop. Let me take a for loop here, and I am trying to check the length. As it will be greater than, that is, as it starts from 0, it will be greater than 1. I have taken less than array.length I++. So this will iterate the each and every array element in this. Now I should able to print the count of each and array element. So let me take a variable count. Let me take in the form of an object, where it will try to print each element count. That is, for the 2 it will try to print as 2, for 56 it will try to print as 1. Next one. In this for loop, we are trying to take num, where num equals to each array element of I. So in this, we are trying to take where num equal to array of I. For every iteration, it will try to print as where num equals to array of 0. It is now the array first initially it will be 2 here. So it will try to read each and every array element, and it will try to store in num. In this, we are trying to take a ternary operator where the main logics will be there. Here we are trying to take an count num equals to, first I want to check whether the element exists or not. If it is already exists, it will try to add a 1 to it. I mean, it will add a count to it. If it is not there, it will just try to print as 1. Let us understand this. Sorry. Yes. So we are trying to use the same ternary operator what we have used here. So in this, it will try to have first one, it will try to have the value as 2. So the what is the value? It will try to take array of 2. So it will try to read each and every element. For example, if the number exists in your object, it will try to add 1, or else it will add with the value of 1. So let us understand how it goes. So let me print the value of this count. So in this, if we can see the console part, yes, we got in this way. For the 1 it is only one value, 2 it is 2, 3 the element is 2, 4 it is 2, 6 it is 1, 7 it is 1, and 56 it is 1. So it is trying to display the count of each and every value. So if you can see here, count of num, that is the value. First it will try to store the in the form of an object. For the 1 it is 1, 2 it is 2, 3 it is 2, 4 it is 2. So based upon the condition, if it is already present, it will try to increment the value. If it is not there, it will just try to print as 1. So this is how we have written the logic for counting the number of occurrences of each array element. So let us look into the presentation part. If we can see here, the same operator what we have written, the ternary operator, we can write using if else also. If counts of num equal to num plus 1, so it will try to increment the value for it. If it is exist only once, it will try to have a value as 1. If you have any queries in this, you can just drop us a mail or comment below this video. Thank you.